Hey girl, hey boy, hey. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do my nail. We have to do our nails, sis, okay? Because we have to keep ourselves up always, all the time, home or not. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe at the end of this video and let me know what you want to see next. Bye. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab that acetone, sis, and clean that nail. But right now, I'm just looking to see which nail best fits my finger. This is the most important part. Okay, so I'm not ling in the flesh, so this is the best I can do about the buffing. Alright, family, so we're halfway there. I'm showing you this from a complete different angle now, just because I'm a perfectionist and I can't help myself. So basically, these are how the nails look so far. I'm also going to show you how these nails are being buffed, and I'm going to show you how we're going to put on that ring finger nail that you see that's not on yet, and also that pinky nail that's right there. So we're going to try to get those two nails on. I am showing you the other hand, which even less nails, but you know, we're going to make it work. It looks crazy right now, but we're going to make it work because that's what we do, period. Okay, you already know. It's nail salon time, okay? Nobody's not going to know that this was not done at the nail salon, okay? They got to figure it out. So now I'm just taking that glue once again and just squeezing out a little bit, as you can see, and then moving that around. Bring it around town. Okay. All right. So then we want to take that nail that best fits our finger and apply that nail to our natural nail. Just showing you guys what that would look like, and remember, don't press down too much. Just place the nail right on top and wait for it to dry. You're not really pressing down, you're just holding it in place. Just hold it in place. And there we go. It's on. It's not going nowhere. I'm a perfectionist though, of course, so I'm fixing it again. So far, so good. Okay, I have to move on now. So the nails are buffed, as you can see, okay? I took my time and just buffed them out just to flatten them out to make the nails look more natural on your fingers. I don't know about you, but I hate, especially when I go to the nail salon and they're doing my nails. If my nails are so bulky, like my finger big up or something, like everybody just have a different nail shape and everybody just have different sized hands, but I don't like bulky nails. Like, I like my nails to look natural. So that's why I just take the nail file and use the emerald board hard side and just buff out my nails, because I do not want no type of bulky feeling on top. That is just absolutely disgusting. Like, come on, ling, yeah, for me, bing, okay? Bing in town. I'm just showing you guys how these nails look. And remember, ladies, just make sure that your nails are actually straight, okay? You don't want your nails to be crooked before they say, you know, your finger crooked and that's why your nail is messed up. Like, no, sis, like, none of that. We don't need that. So now I'm showing you my cutter. And I was thinking about cutting my nails, but I later changed my mind and redid the whole set all over again. Yes, I redid the whole set because I cut my nails and I cut them too short and I was tight. Like, you remember being in the nail salon and then the nail salon person is like, how long you want? Like, so I'm just showing you guys the measurements of the cutter and how low or how high you can cut. Some of y'all won't even be using this, but just to show you, I just cut my nails. But after, I wasn't feeling short nails anymore because I cut them way too short. I wanted like a medium length, but I cut them way too short, so I got tight and I did the whole set over again, which you're not gonna see that part, but yeah, I got really tight. Okay, so at this point, I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I was fessed up. Like, I was like, yo, like, they're so short. Like, I didn't know what to do, but I was just like, okay, I'm already filming, so let me just continue. So here I am just grabbing the nail polish This is Alexandra Sexy High Grade, like some type of nail polish from the beauty supply. And then I have a pigment that I was also using. So this is just another sparkly pigment. You could also get that from the beauty supply. And you also are gonna need a nail brush, which is the most important thing, because how you gonna get that pigment on your nail? I'm gonna show you right now. So yeah. And don't forget your clear coat, okay, just to seal everything and bring it together like swoop. Okay, I wanted this to be perfect, so I also had some nail jewels just in case that pigment didn't work out. I was ready for the backup. Okay, so at this point, the depression was just hitting because I was like, Ling Ling, I miss you. Like, I cannot paint. Like, I can't paint. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I literally was just like, let's just turn the camera off at this point. I was like, nope, I have to keep going. I have to keep going. I have to keep going because, yeah, after this, look at that. Look at that. What's going on? I'm trying to figure it out. Like, oh my gosh. I was just so depressed at this moment. Alright, I get it. Y'all ready to click out the video because your girl was painting up skin, but don't click out just yet. Like I said, I redid the whole set. I was already tight at this moment. I was like, this is just gonna be bare comedy. I got the loose glitter and I started to apply that shit with no type of glue or nothing, and I was like feeling myself. I'm like, wait, this is going on with just nail polish? It was like a whole new world had opened up, and my depression was just lifted after that. I was like, okay, at least I have something to look forward to. Like, I could just apply this glitter and it'll just go right on. Even though I was wasting mad glitter, I'm like, I'm never gonna use it other than doing my nails, so like, might as well. Basically, I was applying it and I was trying to just figure out, that shit was not trying to pick up, but it was whatever. I was applying it on both of those nails, my pinky and my index. And yeah, basically after that I just kept painting, but y'all just not gonna see that part. I'm gonna show y'all the end results.
Like I told you, I woke up deep on my sleep and I was on the news. Young nigga got put on the body, he made channel too. Get him down, bet him, wiping no like a baby key. I didn't smoke, I get him knocked out for a